Hello everyone, welcome back to NFTGG, and today we'll be taking a look at the updates on what's to come for the Mission 2 sale of Colonize Mars. And as you can see here in the Discord, this is where all the news is happening, either there or Twitter, so go make sure you follow both. And let's just jump straight into it. So yesterday they took a screenshot or a whitelist snapshot of the ultimate supply crate whitelist. So what that means is they took a picture to see who owned or who bought the original crates and the ultimate crates from sale 1, and that was added to a whitelist. So people who bought an original crate now have a token which looks like this. There you go. The white one on the left is the one for just a regular crate, and the gold one is for an ultimate crate. So what this has done is reserved you the chance of buying a crate. So if you bought crate 1 and 2, like standard and ultimate in the first sale, now you have a ticket saying that you're whitelisted to get one of each reserved in the next sale. You will have to buy it pretty quick. I think there's an hour-long time slot where you get to buy it, but it's still such an advantage over any other whale trying to enter the market for this game. So you have such an opportunity if you're already invested just to keep going and buy the crates in the Mission 2 sale. Having said that, we go back up here. If you had a sketch card, where is it? Right, so look at this. If you had a sketch card bought and it's in your inventory and they're going to take the snapshot for that in 2 days, you have a 20% chance of getting a dark matter crate, only 940 available, or you get one of these. You have an 80% chance of getting an ultimate crate. Now, this is the kicker. So with the new ultimate supply crate reservations from the old Mission 1, there's not going to be many ultimate crates available to buy from the public. I think it's less than 1,000. I think there's 7,000 reserved for the ultimate crates here, and a lot of the other ones will be reserved as well for the standard crates. So it has just got a lot more competitive to enter the market for Colonize Mars. This should drive up the prices of all the cards, and anyone who was an early adopter of the game and kept their cards and are still buying, they have such an advantage over everyone else right now. But it also did reward the people that put the money in before they knew there was value. So they have been quite good at giving opportunity to people to enter the market now by reserving a certain amount for people who've already bought in, but also leaving some in the market for new people to buy. So the people that really do want it will be able. They'll just have to be on the tip of their toes on the minute of sale to buy exactly what they want. I'm just lucky I got a sketch card, so I have either one of these reserved already. Plus, I bought an ultimate crate, so I have one of these definitely reserved and one of these definitely reserved. So I'll be at least minimally getting 3 crates on the next sale. I had planned on buying more. But I'm not sure now how that's going to work out. If there's only going to be around 700 to 1,000 available for the ultimate crates, which are the ones you really want to buy. It's great to buy standards, but the ultimates have that 0.23 chance of ownership, and that's what you want. If you bought just like 4 of those, you have a 1% chance of getting in on the ownership, which is amazing. Anyone that has played this game knows that trying to get up to ownership is just, it's the golden ticket, literally made of gold if you take a look at the cards. But that's all the news for the sale. But every 24 hours between now and then, we're getting one of these. So they dropped this one already. I picked up mine. I think they released 5,000 per day for each of the stickers. Who knows? This could be a whitelist thing in the future, or it could just be collectible. But I'm going to pick up one of each anyway, just to be sure. And it's also a hint at what we're going to see on the new Mission 2 cards. So it's likely we're going to see the sleeping pod, 3D printing robot, inflatable laboratory, crew rocket ship, inflatable greenhouse, and maybe, we're not sure about the cards yet, but there could be a male, female engineer and scientist coming as well. Or maybe that could be avatars in game. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but hopefully we see them as cards. It would be nice to see some human beings on the cards. I wonder what a dark matter male engineer is going to look like. Just him standing in a massive storm. Who knows? But yeah, a lot of hype, a lot of good news for this game. I know the community is growing rapidly. I can see from even just my YouTube channel here. Most of my views are coming from suggestions now, which is absolutely amazing. So thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned for more news. I will be covering other games in the future, but this week is all about Colonize Mars. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe and like for more. Peace out.